The site I'm going to show you today will do all of the hard work for you. So if you want to start making money online, keep watching until the end because I will show you step by step how to set this up for yourself so you can start making money online. You won't have to spam your link in your YouTube comments, you won't have to create any videos, you won't have to go to various Facebook groups, no Twitter, nothing like that. The tool I'll be showing you literally does everything for you, and I'll show you step by step how to set everything up for yourself before I go ahead and show you the tool. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel we love talking about all things money as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to turn our notifications on so you can get notified every time we upload new videos. Without further ado, let us begin. That website is jvzoo.com, and it is similar to ClickBank, Digistore24, and all other affiliate websites. What distinguishes it from the competition is that it is not solely focused on physical and digital things. Instead, it offers a variety of make money online products, cookery products, and so on. Aside from that, another fantastic feature of this site I know many of you will appreciate is that it has so many different payment options for you to choose from. PayPal is arguably the most popular one, but it is not available everywhere. So there are other options for those of you who live in various Asian countries or in Africa. With that said, you can read more about this website, what it is, and so on and so forth. But I will not go over that. What you need to do when you first come on here is to create your brand new account, which you will do by clicking on Start for free in the upper right corner here. From there, you will have to register by entering your basic information. You will then verify that the email address you entered actually belongs to you. And finally, you will choose a way to. This is what you will see when you check into your brand new account. On your dashboard, you will find information about your earnings, such as how many visitors, sales, gross income, and your earnings. Now, in order to browse different products to advertise as an affiliate and collect the links, click on Affiliates right here, and then click on Find Products. This will now take you directly to this page where you will see thousands upon thousands of different offers that you can promote as an affiliate. What I really like about JVZoo is that it provides a lot of useful information so that you know exactly which product is best for you to promote as an affiliate so that you can actually get paid. You can see when the products were leased, how many were sold, and the conversion rate. For those of you who are unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, a conversion rate is how many people, in percentage terms, bought the product after visiting the sales page. For example, a conversion rate of 5% means that 5 out of 100 people bought the product. The next thing you will notice is APC, which stands for earnings per click and is essentially the average amount of money made each time someone clicks on one of the affiliate links related to the product in question. Something very useful to know is the average price because you don't want to promote a product that is too cheap and won't make you a lot of money. And one of the most important things on this list is the refund rate, which should be less than 10% because obviously promoting a product that people are unhappy with isn't good for you and won't make you a lot of money. The number of products sold, the conversion rate, the refund rate, and the average price are the things you want to look out for. The number of products sold is quite important because you know it is a good product without even checking the other stats. And more importantly, people will more willing to buy a product that has sold many copies. You also want the conversion rate to be above 10% most of the time, the return rate to be less than 5%, and the average pricing to be about $40 or $50. Something else that is really significant, guys, is the product's launch date. So don't advertise things that are too old. Instead, attempt to locate newer ones. Anyway, by clicking on the category here, you will be able to see all of the different categories of products JVZoo offers. And as I previously stated, there are many more of them than on other similar sites, which I really like about it. There are literally too many of them on here for me to list them all, and what you need to do is pick the one you're most passionate about. I'll select the business and finance category for the purposes of this video. When you have decided on a category, you will want to choose one product, and as I previously stated, you will want to make sure it has strong metrics before going for it and acquiring that affiliate link. Here is one product that fits my criteria perfectly. When you find a product that you think is good, open it up. On that page, you will be able to see the commission, which in this case is 50%, which is really good. You can also see the price here if you want to, and you can even check out the product sales page by clicking right here. In any case, once you have chosen your product, you must now request approval in order to obtain the affiliate link, and while you are doing so, you can tell them things like, I am experienced in affiliate marketing, and I know how to promote products in this specific niche, and I'll be able to get sales to your page, and so on. Once you have typed all of that in, you must now click on I am not a robot right here, tick this box, and finally click on to advertise your goods. You may now use a variety of tools, with social media being one of the most potent and widely used. For example, you can go to different Facebook groups, and since my niche is making money online, I specifically searched for make money online groups, and as far as social media is concerned, Facebook groups are generally not a bad way to go because they may have thousands of members at the very least and hundreds of thousands at the most. So you will definitely get some clicks to your link right away. For example, you can go to different Facebook groups, and since my niche is making money online, I specifically searched for make money online groups, and as far as social media is concerned, Facebook groups are generally not a bad way to go because they have thousands of members at the very least and hundreds of thousands at the most. So you will definitely get some clicks to your link that way. The next two choices are Instagram and Twitter. So you can start an Instagram page related to your specialty and add your affiliate link in your bio, or you can use Twitter to hunt for others who want to make money online. Keep in mind that these approaches do work, but they are not the ideal ways in my opinion. By far, the best method to do this is to use the tool I mentioned at the beginning of this post, and I'll provide a link to it in the description box below. This software will now send visitors to any affiliate link in seconds and with no effort on your part. You enter keywords from your niche into this program, and they will automatically build a viral video for you. You then enter the affiliate link where you want all of the traffic to go, and finally, you just have to let the software do the work for you. As you can see, this is a brand new app that puts your link in front of up to 1 billion visitors simultaneously for unlimited free traffic in 60 seconds. Even if you are a newbie with zero experience, which allows you to make money in affiliate marketing even if you have no experience and it requires no work from you. If you're interested in affiliate marketing and creating a passive income stream, this is perhaps the best platform you can use. So that is it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.